Oh, you are? Yeah. What? Aren't you the only... is he a sophomore? Oh, there's all sophomoreans? Oh. Oh. Okay, listen up. Surbeir, Udara, Zara. So what you're given is you're given that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, and then it's asking you to factor completely the given polynomial. So this is the way you need to start out, okay? This is the way you need to start out. So you're going to write down all the coefficients first. So that's 2, 7, negative 4, negative 27, negative 18. And then what are you going to put down here? Negative 2 or 2? You're going to put 2, right? If it's given in this format, then you're going to take the opposite of whatever is inside. Okay? So bring this down, and you get a 4, 11, 22, 18, 36, 9, 18, and 0. So this had better be a 0 if they tell you x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, if it is a factor. So what this means is that you've got 2x to the 4th plus 7x cubed minus 4x squared minus 27x minus 18. Surbir, come and sit here. Yeah, come and sit here, dude. Okay, is equal to x minus 2 times, you're going to take the coefficients out of here to get the other polynomial now, okay? You're going to take it out of there. So that's going to be 2x cubed. It'll be 1 degree less than what you started out with, okay? 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus, Surbin, I'm waiting for you, plus 18x plus 9. Okay? Sorry? Ray, I can't hear you. Okay. So we need to factor this even more. We need to factor this even more. Okay? How are you going to think about this one now? How are you going to factor that one? Remember, what factoring means is that supposing if x minus 1 was a factor of this, then it would mean that f of 1 is got to be equal to 0 from the remainder theorem. Okay? So we need to find a value of x that's going to make this guy a 0. Okay? Do you guys understand that? Do you think that number is going to be a positive number?
No.
Why not? Why not? Sorry? Because they all have plus signs. If you add positive numbers, are you going to get a 0? So don't even try a positive number. Okay? So let's try a negative number. How about trying negative 1? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this and plug in negative 1 here. So I will call this g of x, okay? So can someone find me g of negative 1? Does that work?
0.
Does that work? Is everybody okay on that? Does everybody get a 0 when you put negative 1 in here for x? Well, I used an intelligent guess because I'm intelligent. That's why Miriam helped us out, and she told me, so yeah, I borrowed some of her intelligence. She told me, hey, dumbass, don't try a positive number. Right? So I followed her lead. So if you're going to go try a negative number, I mean, why do you want to try a negative 7? Why not start out with the easiest one, negative 1? You know this class is easy. You have to feel in you as to what be a nice number. Yeah, you got to feel the math in there. You feel in the gut right there. Not in your gut, in your heart. Okay? In your heart. All right. Okay, so this means that 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 18x plus 9 is going to have x plus 1 as a factor. Because I have x minus 1 here, so this guy's going to be the opposite. And then I'm going to have more stuff here, right? How do I find this more stuff? What do I do? What do I do? How? Synthetic division? Do it. Do it. So I'm going to erase this stuff, okay, so that we can use that for doing the synthetic. Well, if you do the sin div correctly, your remainder should be 0. So what you're going to start out is with 2, 11, 18, 9. You're going to put a -1 here. Bring a 2, -2, a 9, a -9, a 9, a -9. And sure enough, that's a 0. Okay? So that means that this polynomial that you started out with, 2x to the 4th plus 7x cubed minus 4x squared minus 27x minus 18 is going to have to start out with the x minus 2 factor, which is given to you. It's given to you right there. Okay? Then you're going to get x plus 1 as well from here. Then what else are you going to get? What else are you going to get? Sorry, say that again. Who is this? Yeah, Manisha, go. Can you factor this more? Now don't use, when you get to a quadratic, don't do sin div stuff, okay? Then you do algebra 0 stuff. Okay, what do you get? Look at them. 2x plus 3 and nice, good job. All right, see how you started out with this one factor and you factored it completely? And see why this is really nice, okay? See why this is nice. Because now I can say that if you want to solve this polynomial, if you want to find the zeros of it, does everybody know what the zeros are? If you look at the factored term, what are the zeros? Well, go from the left. 2, Zara, go. Zara, go. 2. -3 over 2. -3. Do you see why factoring is so important? Right? Because it gives you all the zeros of a polynomial. Is everybody with me on this? Yeah? Is everybody okay? Oh, okay. Last line. See nice summary box for use on synthetic div, page 121. That's the end of the line. So I would really appreciate it if you do open your book. Noah, Elizabeth, Josh, Subir. You need to borrow it from someone then. Dean, dare you open your textbook? Vikram.